It is with sorrowful hearts we announce the passing of our beloved Augustine John Baptist, affectionately known as Gogos, Tin, and Mr. Augustine, of Bay Street, Grosley. He passed away on the 20th of June 2026 at his residence in Bay Street, Grosley, at the age of 79. The Thanksgiving service for the late Augustine John Baptist will be held at the St. Joseph the Worker Church, Grosley, on Thursday, 30th July 2026 at 2:30 p.m. His body will be laid to rest in the Grosley Cemetery. Augustine's body now lies peacefully in the caring hands of Creeks Funeral Home Limited, Pitbutai Castries. May his soul rest in God's perfect peace. Family and friends are asked to wear a touch of red. He is gone but will never be forgotten.